at negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit, but I don't know where it is.
Wow, excellent. I'm very impressed. Does anyone else know anything about liquid nitrogen?
Well, you can make ice cream with it.
You can.
Jules, she's going to call on hands just like we do in the classroom.
It's frozen air, and so it's not like it's like frozen air, and it's really cold. And if you put balloons in it, they'll shrink.
You guys are
And
taking away
if you get
the whole
bananas, they'll be as hard as a hammer. I tried that once. I hammered in a nail one.
All right, we already have a professional liquid
And
nitrogen.
also, if you put a bouncy ball in, like a racquetball, it shatters if you drop it.
Fifth graders, none of that is true. None of that is true. Daniel, that's not going to happen today.
So I just want to clarify one thing we said. So nitrogen is a component of air, so that was correct. And air, we know, is a gas at room temperature, right? Because we're at room temperature now, the air is a gas. However, we have kind of super cooled liquid nitrogen here, or nitrogen here, and that can turn it into a liquid. But you'll see as we take the tops off and expose it to room temperature, it will actually evaporate and form kind of a steam.
Also, if you just pour it on the ground, it'll make a big booming sound.
Exactly,
So
because
do
that comes into contact with the cool floor or the cool table, and that causes a phase change from liquid immediately into gas. You guys learned about that, right?
Not here. I learned about it somewhere else.
Okay, well, we're going to learn about it today. All right, so I am going to remove the cap, and as you can see, it's kind of steaming. And this is very, very, very cold, so it can freeze our hands, so we don't want to touch it with our bare skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some into this. Oh.
What? Guys.
Ready?
It's like a foam.
I didn't know.
I've never seen this out. I didn't know. It's like a steam machine. Fog machine. Yeah, fog machine.
Yeah, dry ice.
It looks like dry ice. How come it's not over?